Ready to tap? Using your fingers. Put it up like this with teacher. Put it up like this. Ready to tap with teacher. 1, 2, 3. We gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop. You think we need a little more tapping? Okay, we gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap. We're gonna tap, tap, tap and tap and stop. Okay, I think we're ready to show our classmates our letters. Show it to your classmates. Wow. Okay, teacher made letter. What letter is this? W. How about Andy? What letter is that? It's letter? 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 Y. It's letter Y. How about Martina? That is letter B. Good job. Just like Vivienne. What letter is this, Vivienne? Good job. How about Maka? What letter is that? Y. Good job. And Miggy, what letter is this? This is letter. Show it to them. This is letter. What letter is this? B. 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 Good job. How about Caitlin? What letter is that? Good job. And Kylie, what letter? U. Say U. U. Okay. Ready to pack away your dough and ready to wash your hands. Okay, let's roll our dough like this. Ready to pack away? Let's roll it like this. And then, what's next? We will squeeze it again. Let's squeeze it again like this. Squeeze it. Squeeze.
Wala.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Okay, let's squeeze it. Squeeze. Okay. Squeeze it some more. Squeeze. I know you like squeezing the dough. Good job. And then ready to roll it and form it into a ball like this. Okay. Roll it. Roll it. Okay. And then we will put it here in our bucket. This is the way we pack away, pack away, pack away. This is the way we pack away here at